Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore wallet balance using Etherscan address lookup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your wallet balance using Etherscan, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Etherscan website. In the search bar at the top of the page, enter your wallet address. Click the search icon or press enter. Once the page loads, you will see your wallet balance displayed prominently. Scroll down to view transaction history associated with your address. Take note of the total balance shown. If your balance appears accurate but is not reflected in your wallet, you may need to refresh or sync your wallet application. Next, verify that you are using the correct wallet address. Double-check for any typos or errors in the address you entered. If discrepancies arise, compare your address with known transaction records. If necessary, fund your wallet using a different method, such as transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet. After confirming your balance matches the Etherscan record, close and reopen your wallet application. In many cases, the balance will automatically update. If the balance doesn't update, look for a refresh or sync button within your wallet application. For additional assurance, consider using a different wallet application to verify your balance. Remember to keep your recovery phrase and private keys secure throughout this process. If issues persist, consult the support section of your wallet provider. This concludes the process of restoring your wallet balance using Etherscan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.